Ever feel like your legs are staging a sit-down strike? You know, when a flight of stairs looks like Mount Everest and your muscles mutter, "We're on vacation. Call us next week." If you're over 60 and noticing that your get up and go has gotten up and left, don't worry. You're not alone, and I've got a secret weapon that's as easy as sipping your morning brew. No, it's not a magic pill or a gym membership you'll never use. It's tea. Yes, tea. But not just any tea. These are science-backed blends that can help your muscles bounce back, ease those aches, and make you feel like you're striding through life with a little more swagger. So, grab your favorite mug, maybe a cozy blanket, and let's dive into a warm, comforting world of teas that'll have you feeling stronger, steadier, and ready to conquer those stairs. Curious? Stick around, because these cups are game changers. After 60, it's normal to notice that your muscles don't recover as quickly, that aches linger a bit longer, or that simple tasks like carrying groceries or walking the dog leave you feeling drained. But here's the good news. You don't need to overhaul your life or push your body to the limit to feel stronger. Sometimes, the simplest solutions, like a warm cup of tea, can make a big difference. Today, we're exploring 6 healing teas, each backed by real science, that can support your muscles, boost your energy, and help you move with more ease. These aren't just drinks. They're like a gentle hug for your body. Perfect for anyone who wants to feel steady and confident without extra stress. Each tea we'll cover brings something unique. Some help you recover while you sleep. Others ease soreness after a busy day. And a few even give you a natural energy lift. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tea to reach for and when to sip it for maximum benefits. Plus, I'll share 2 real-life stories from folks just like you who've found strength in these simple brews. So, let's pour our first cup and get started. Let's kick things off with Tart Cherry Tea, a vibrant ruby red brew that's more than just a tasty drink. This tea is a quiet powerhouse for anyone dealing with muscle soreness or slow recovery, especially after a day of light activity like gardening or neighborhood stroll. Tart cherries are packed with anthocyanins, natural antioxidants that reduce inflammation and muscle damage. A 2010 study in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports found that runners who drank tart cherry juice before and after a marathon had significantly less muscle pain and strength loss compared to those who didn't. Another study from Louisiana State University in 2015 showed that older adults who sipped tart cherry juice twice daily for 2 weeks slept better and longer, thanks to the natural melatonin in tart cherries, which helps regulate sleep. Better sleep means better muscle repair, so you wake up feeling less stiff and more refreshed. Meet Sarah, a 68-year-old retiree from Ohio. Sarah loves her daily walks, but started noticing her legs felt heavy and sore the next morning. She began drinking a cup of tart cherry tea each evening after dinner, steeped with dried tart cherries and a touch of honey. Within a week, she noticed her legs felt lighter in the morning, and she was sleeping more soundly. Now it's her go-to evening ritual, paired with a good book and her favorite armchair. Steep, dried tart cherry tea, or mix a teaspoon of tart cherry concentrate in hot water. Add a slice of orange or a drizzle of honey for a sweet, tangy flavor. Sip it warm in the evening to unwind, or try it iced on warm days. Either way, it's a soothing way to help your muscles recover overnight. Next up is white tea, a delicate brew that might seem too subtle to make a difference. But don't let its light flavor fool you. This tea is a gentle giant when it comes to supporting tired muscles and easing post-activity soreness. White tea comes from the same plant as green tea but is minimally processed, preserving high levels of catechins and polyphenols, antioxidants that fight inflammation and oxidative stress. A 2016 study in food chemistry showed that white tea reduces inflammation in muscle cells, which can help ease the fatigue and soreness that creep in after a busy day. With low caffeine, it's perfect for those sensitive to jitters, making it a great choice for older adults. Brew white tea at 175 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, not boiling, to protect the delicate leaves, for 2 to 3 minutes. Try brands like Heavenly Tea Leaves or organic blends with added herbs for extra flavor. Sip it warm in the morning for a gentle start or after light activity to calm your muscles. In summer, chill it for a refreshing iced tea. It's a soft, floral way to support your body without overwhelming your senses. Now let's pour a golden cup of turmeric ginger tea, a warm, comforting blend that's like a natural relief balm for stiff joints and aching muscles. If your knees creak or your legs feel swollen after standing too long, this tea can help ease that tension and improve circulation. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound. A 2017 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that curcumin's effects on arthritis pain were comparable to over-the-counter pain relievers without the side effects. Meanwhile, ginger adds its own anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving benefits. A 2019 study in phytotherapy research showed that ginger and turmeric together reduced muscle soreness and sped up recovery after physical activity. Together, they're a dynamic duo for soothing discomfort and boosting blood flow. John, a 72-year-old grandfather from Texas, struggled with knee stiffness that made playing with his grandkids tough. He started brewing turmeric ginger tea with fresh roots and a splash of almond milk each afternoon. After 2 weeks, he noticed less stiffness and more ease getting up from the couch. Now he enjoys his tea while watching his grandkids play, feeling more mobile and engaged. Simmer fresh ginger and turmeric slices or a pinch of turmeric powder in water for 10 minutes. Add honey and a squeeze of lemon for flavor, and a splash of almond milk or coconut oil to boost curcumin absorption. Sip it after meals or light exercise for a soothing, therapeutic effect. Let's move to Ulong tea, a rich, nutty brew that sits between green and black tea in flavor and strength. If your energy dips midday or your muscles feel sluggish after light activity, Ulong can help restore balance and keep you moving. Ulong is loaded with polyphenols like the flavins and thiorubigens, which reduce muscle fatigue and inflammation. A 2018 study in the Journal of Food and Chemical Toxicology found that Oolong's compounds improved metabolic function and lowered inflammation markers, helping muscles recover faster. A 2014 trial in the Chinese Journal of Integrative Medicine showed that daily Oolong consumption increased energy expenditure and fat oxidation, supporting strength and stamina without drastic lifestyle changes. Steep Oolong at 185 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 to 5 minutes. Enjoy it warm in the afternoon for a gentle pick-me-up or cold for a refreshing boost. 1 or 2 cups daily can help your muscles feel less fatigued and your energy more balanced. Next, we have holy basil tea, or Tulsi, an ancient Ayurvedic remedy with an earthy, peppery flavor. This tea is perfect for anyone feeling worn out by stress or dealing with stiff joints and muscles. Tulsi helps regulate cortisol, the stress hormone that can increase inflammation and slow muscle recovery. A 2017 study in the Journal of Ayurveda and Integrative Medicine showed that Tulsi reduced cortisol levels, creating a calmer internal environment for healing. It also improves circulation, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to muscles. This makes it ideal for easing stiffness and boosting vitality, especially if stress makes your body feel tense. Steep Tulsi leaves in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Sip it in the late morning or early evening for a caffeine-free calming ritual. Pair it with a quiet moment, like listening to music or watching the sunset for maximum relaxation. Finally, let's sip Jinseng green tea, a powerful blend that combines green tea's antioxidants with ginseng's endurance-enhancing properties. This tea is perfect for those days when you need a little extra strength to climb stairs or stay active. Green tea's catechins protect muscles from oxidative stress, while ginseng improves oxygen use during activity. A 2016 study in the Journal of Ginseng Research found that ginseng enhanced muscle performance, reducing fatigue. A 2013 study in the American Journal of Chinese Medicine showed that older adults consuming ginseng had improved walking speed and lower limb strength. This tea offers a gentle energy lift without jitters, perfect for staying active. Brew loose-leaf green tea with fresh ginseng slices or a pinch of ginseng powder at 175 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 to 5 minutes. Add honey or lemon for flavor. Sip it in the morning or early afternoon to feel stronger and more focused. Avoid late evenings to prevent disrupting sleep. There you have it. 6 healing teas, each a small but powerful step toward feeling stronger, steadier, and more like yourself. From Tart Cherry's nighttime recovery to Jinseng green tea's strength boost, these brews offer gentle, science-backed support for your muscles and joints. No gym, no stress, just a warm cup and a moment to care for your body. If this video sparked a new idea or brought you a moment of calm, subscribe to Health After 60 for more simple, comforting tips to help you thrive. Try one of these teas tonight, maybe with a cozy blanket or your favorite show, and let your body feel the difference. Small sips can lead to big changes, and your legs might just thank you in the morning. Which tea are you excited to try? Drop a comment below. Type 1 if you're curious, or 0 if you're still deciding. Here's to stronger days and soothing nights, 1 cup at a time.